Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 13 how to send your first tweet on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then scroll to the bottom. We can either tweet by clicking tweet now or tweet. Click on tweet now. What's happening? Hashtag my first tweet. And then tweet. And now we have sent the first tweet using our own Twitter account. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.